Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Sean Paul, the leading dancehall artist in the U.S. for a second year in a row. According to World Music Views, the Grammy-winning artist ranks third overall on Billboard sales and streams-driven reggae albums artist rankings for 2025, the same position as last year. He also has the most albums on the Billboard Reggae Albums year-end chart, Dirty Classics Collection at number 5, and Dirty Rock ending the year at number 8 overall. Dirty, eh? Good news for the entertainment sector. Fees slashed for structures erected at entertainment events. Mayor of Kingston Andrew Swiber revealed at the Kingston and St. Andrew monthly meeting that the entertainment sector will benefit from a 20% reduction in fees for structures erected at entertainment events from December to January 2026.
This is our way of offering support at this challenging time. We hope it gives the industry some breathing room as they support the recovery process while sustaining themselves. We also encourage them to continue their relief effort, and we believe that the reduction will help them keep the spirit of support alive.
The mayor also lauded the entertainment mogul Ramesh Major for throwing his support behind this year's staging of the KSAMC's Christmas tree lighting ceremony.
And I'm pleased to tell you that he has come in with most of the production free of cost. I want to say a big thank you to Ramesh.
And on the international scene, Taylor Swift remains on top. The Life of a Showgirl Singer is the top Billboard 200 album of 2025. This marks the fifth time the pop star has ruled the year-end roundup, and she remains the only act to have the year-end #1 Billboard 200 album more than 3 times. According to Luminate, the Life of a Showgirl's year-end feat is especially remarkable considering it had only 1 week of activity on the Billboard 200 during the eligibility period. It debuted at #1 on the list, dated October 18, the final week of the 2025 chart year, with a modern era weekly record of 4 million equivalent album units earned in its first week in the United States. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.